Welcome to Industry of Things World 2019. I'm here with Hendrik Nieweg from Device Insight. Thank you so much for agreeing to do the interview with us. I'm going to start by asking, over the past 5 years, organizations have gone beyond the hype and are now implementing IoT projects. How would you say the industry is reinventing itself?
Well, I think IoT now is starting to get mature. So we see a lot of IoT projects already in the market that are business critical and so on. So this is really now a huge market and a lot of interesting projects happening right at the moment. The industry is now looking into that because they also want to drive their digitalization forward. And they have a huge interest in this market as well, and they see, okay, there is this new technology, IoT, and they really want to use this, utilize the possibilities. And they also start with digitalization efforts into this. And we will see the next big wave, I think, of projects looking specifically into the industrial domain.
You held a presentation this morning to discuss the industrial Internet of Things in terms of challenges, providers, and solutions. Could you maybe let us know some of the key takeaways from your session?
Well, as key takeaways, I would say as customers and also providers of machines and services and everything, look into standardization because it makes everything way more easy for customers to implement this. So don't drive proprietary solutions into the market or into your own environments. It really doesn't make sense because you will struggle later on. This would be one of my key takeaways, and also think about ecosystems. Think of working together, and not think about that you are the only provider that will build the best solution for everybody. I don't think so that it will make sense. You really have to see who will bring the best parts of the solution to the market and then stitch it together, and this will really drive the solutions for the customer, for the operators.
So, as an expert in the field of the industrial Internet of Things, what would you say are some of the new technologies that are really making an impact on IoT?
Well, I think now we have this distinction between the field layer, then the edge layer. There's a lot of new technology, new hype on edge processing of data. This is something that we are really looking into right at the moment in the industrial domain. And then also possibilities with the cloud providers, looking into some kind of hybrid cloud environments. So running workloads on the edge layer, on the shop floor layer, but also on the cloud layer, and bringing interoperability in all those layers of the architectures. This is also one of the key aspects that will really define the chances and also the success of those stories. And there are others such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on and so on. There's really huge potential for that, and customers are really now leveraging those possibilities.
Now maybe coming back to the event, Device Insight has been with us since the beginning, since 2015, so yeah. It's already been 5 years, and you know by now that networking and lead generation are really, really important aspects for our partners at the Industry of Things world. How is our, what we call the multi-touch point concept, so mixing interaction and case studies, how is this helping you achieve this networking and this lead generation?
I mean, it works brilliantly, I would say, for a company such as Device Insight, because we are, as you said, right from the beginning, now the 5th anniversary, also for Device Insight here at this Congress. We have a very big partner network, and we have partners and customers here at the fair, and it's really good to have keynote presentations, but also more those word cafes where you really can dive into details of solutions and have an open discussion with people that you know, and new people are joining the group. So it's I think it's a very good concept, and it has a good mix between this high-level presentations, but also very low-level presentations down to the very details. And I think this is what it makes special for potential customers, but also for providers such as Device Insight.
Thank you so much, Hendrik, and then enjoy the rest of the event.